Hi and welcome to the Elvatech Academy. My name is Serhiy and today's topic is X-ray safety when using the ProSpector 3 analyzer. In this video you will learn what X-rays are and how they differ from radioactivity, how the ProSpector 3 generates X-rays, why Elvatech analyzers are absolutely safe, which safety systems are built into the ProSpector 3 and how to use the analyzer correctly and safely. So let's begin. First, what are X-rays? X-rays are short-wavelength electromagnetic waves capable of ionizing atoms. Unlike radioactive emissions, which is produced by the decay of unstable atomic nuclei and is continuous, X-rays are generated only while the special tube is operating. That is exactly how the ProSpector 3 works. Now let's look more closely at how the ProSpector 3 generates X-rays. Inside the analyzer, in the nose, there is a special X-ray tube that activates only during the measurement. Under the high voltage, electrons accelerate and strike a rhodium or tungsten anode, creating a narrow directed X-ray beam aimed at the sample. As soon as you finish the measurement, the tube switches off immediately and the radiation stops. The next, why are Elvatech analyzers absolutely safe for users? First, the ProSpector 3 contains no radioactive source at all. X-rays are generated exclusively by an electrically powered X-ray tube that turns on only during analysis. Second, the tube power is up to 5 watts, which ensures a very low level of radiation. At a distance of about 10 centimeters from the instrument, the radiation corresponds to natural background and even low. With that in mind, let's talk about the built-in safety systems of the ProSpector 3. The first is an infrared sample presence sensor, which is located in the nose of the analyzer, and X-rays can turn on only when this IR sensor is covered by the sample, preventing accidental radiation. The second is low signal control. If the sample is missing or not dense enough, the instrument automatically switches the X-ray tube off. And the third is LED indication. The blue means the instrument is ready, and the red means that instrument is in progress with active radiation. And for special samples, powders, liquids, or X-ray transparent materials, we recommend using the lab stand with the protective lid, which completely blocks scattered radiation. So, and now let's move on to the practical recommendations for correct and safe use of the analyzer. Always point the instrument only at the sample and press it firmly against the surface. Make sure the blue indicator is on before you start the measurement. Do not point the analyzer window at people or exposed body parts, even when the instrument is switched off. And keep your hands to the sides or behind the analyzer during the measurement. If your sample is small or transparent to X-rays, be sure to use the benchtop stand with the protective lid. And always wait until the red indicator turns off before removing the instrument from the sample. So, to conclude, here is the main takeaway. When you follow these simple rules, the ProSpector 3 is absolutely safe. It delivers accurate results without putting you at any risk. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please write them in the comments. See you in the next video.